Hey guys, you're watching Let's Go Power Plus Life. Today, I'm sharing a summer anti-inflammatory diet plan that can help you lose 10 kilograms in just 2 weeks super easily. Recently, a lot of my clients requested a summer-friendly anti-inflammatory diet, so I created this plan for all of them. And they were able to shed around 10 kgs in just 2 weeks very easily. Now let's dive into the anti-inflammatory diet plan for summer weight loss to lose 10 kilograms in 2 weeks, easily. Let's begin with the early morning drink. Since it's anti-inflammatory, we want the best results with cooling effects and detox benefits. First option: lemon water with a pinch of turmeric and black pepper powder. The combo of turmeric and black pepper works wonderfully in anti-inflammatory diets, activating each other's properties. Squeeze lemon in warm water, add turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. I'm using fresh turmeric here, but you can use powder too. If that doesn't work for you, your second option is aloe vera juice. Mix 1 tablespoon in a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. It acts like a luxury detox and refreshes your body and gut. Now, let's move on to breakfast. For breakfast, I'll give you 3 anti-inflammatory and summer-friendly options. First is a smoothie bowl. You'll find a complete, easy smoothie bowl recipe on my channel, using minimal ingredients. I top it with fresh fruits, coconut flakes, granola, or muesli. It's delicious and filling. Second option is for those who prefer a warm breakfast. You can have moong dal chilla with coconut or mint chutney, along with a glass of coconut water for electrolytes. Or you can go with masala oats and 5 to 6 soaked almonds. Both are protein-rich and high-fiber options, low in carbs and great for weight loss. Now let's move to the mid-morning snack. This comes between breakfast and lunch. If you feel hungry around this time, choose from 2 options: a bowl of fresh chopped watermelon, it's in season and super refreshing, or go for 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts. If neither appeals to you, simply chop a cucumber and sprinkle with lemon juice. It's a great detox snack, give it a try. Next, let's talk lunch. I'm sharing 2 to 3 options, use whichever is convenient in limited portions. First is my curd rice recipe with a South Indian tadka, very tasty and perfect for summer weight loss. Mix cooked white rice with homemade curd. For the tempering, heat ghee, add curry leaves, mustard seeds, green chilies if okay for you, and pour it over the rice. Optionally add peanuts. It's yummy and cooling. If not that, go for my dahi tadka recipe, also on my channel. It's anti-inflammatory and works like a veggie dish. Enjoy with roti or chilla. And don't forget lots of salad for fiber. Third option: khichdi with curd. It's cooling and made with lots of veggies and minimal rice. Top with a teaspoon of ghee and serve with curd and salad. This combo is wholesome. Check out the many khichdi recipes on my channel, you won't get bored, I promise. Let's quickly move to mid-evening snacks, between lunch and dinner. If you're hungry, have tea or coffee but no sugar. Tear with 30 grams of roasted macanas in desi ghee and black pepper. No salt preferred, or try green tea or peppermint tea. Don't like those? Go for chia seed pudding recipe, is on my channel. It's super low carb, tasty, and cooling, perfect for a mid-evening snack. Now, let's head to dinner. I'm giving you 2 amazing and tasty dinner options that work great even in summer. First option: zucchini and carrot fritters or pancakes. Grate the veggies, squeeze the water, and bind with besan or oats flour. You can also use quinoa flour. Add onions and your usual spices. Make pancakes and serve with a delicious dip made with paneer, hun curd or Greek yogurt, lemon juice, and black pepper. Super tasty and rich in protein and fiber. It's low in carbs too. Second option: paneer stir fry. Use lots of veggies, broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, mushrooms, or even soy. Stir fry in a grilled pan with black pepper. Add grilled paneer or soy chicken as per your choice. Use about 70 to 80 grams of protein source. Pour over some Greek yogurt or hun curd for a dressing. This dinner is tasty, healthy, and summer perfect. Finally, let's talk bedtime drinks post-dinner. A simple chamomile tea works best. I recommend this to all clients because it's anti-inflammatory, helps with sleep, relieves stress, and boosts your metabolism overnight. Or go for caramajwain and cumin jira water. This post-meal drink helps reduce bloating, swelling, and water retention. Trust me, you'll notice the scale drop every time you have this. And make sure you drink at least 2 to 3 liters of room temperature water daily. That's how you'll stay hydrated and flush out toxins. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. Comment with your questions, I'm happy to help. Drop your doubts below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Power Pulse Life. See you in the next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.